Chapter 15. Jayah Parajayo Va. The consequences of war are always very furious. Even then, man constantly goes on fighting. In modern age, different chemical weapons are used in war, which have become very harmful. The subject matter of the present lesson is its description. Now, you have to box these two paragraphs as a short note. Difference between ancient war and modern war. Difference between ancient war and modern war. The olden days battle were fought and large number of people were killed in it. As a result, many ladies and children used to become helpless. But natural elements like earth, water, air, sky, etc. were not damaged. They had been pure as earlier. In modern age, excessive use of weapons has polluted all these natural elements. Many people become the victim of incurable disease because of polluted water and air. Through they do not participate actively in war. Even then, they have to die. Not only this, but many future descendants of mankind have to become the victim of such bad consequences. In war, resulting in such bad consequences, whichever party become victorious, it remains a question whether it is a victory or a defeat. Arjun, who is living in heaven, having come down on the earth, witnessed directly the differences and of consequences of the war between modern age and Mahabharat times. By imagining the heavenly character getting down on the earth, the attention has been drawn towards the bad result of war prevalent at present time. The plot of this lesson has been thought to educate the feeling of living away from war by understanding the miseries which is innocent being have to suffer as a result of war. Now, this place or this thing is really a very crucial point that war is always harmful. But human never understand this point and fighting more and more till today. Arjun the great warrior of Mahabharat, Bhulokah earth, Mahashay, noble minded or good person, Abhyagatah, guest, Sarovaraha, big lake or pond, Jivaha, living being, Parinamaha, consequences, Mahabhuta, primary element like earth, water, light, air and sky, Parajayaha, defeat, Swargaha, heaven, Trusha, thirst, Bharya, wife, Apada, calamity, Parampara, regular succession, Swargasthitaha Arjunaha, living in heaven Arjun, Jayaghosh Karakam Jan Samuham. 2. A group of people proclaiming means celebrating their victory. Virmite Vishwayuddhe, in battle which has stopped. Labdha Vijayaha Janaha, people who have achieved victory. Tadanantanan Prapt Vijayan Janan, to victorious one belonging to that time people. Etam Apurvam Samupasthitam Arjunam, to Arjun, a present one who was unfamiliar earlier. Parichita Purvam Sarovaram, to a lake which is known formerly. Sagaram Idam Jalam, This poisonous water, prakriti nirmita sarovaraha created by nature, lakes. भग्नदंत धवलकेशः सदंडः एकः जनः. One man having broken teeth, white hair and a stick. Adrashta purvam janam, who has not been seen before a man. Mahabharat Kalikan sthul kayan balishtan janan, is having bulky body and very powerful people of Mahabharat times. Vigateshu katipayeshu masesu, in past several months, bahunam deshanam, to many countries, shastrastra nirgataihi pradushitaihi padarthaihi, by polluted object shoot out from arms and weapons. Madhya sthiti, my situation or condition. Madhya putra, my son. Gabhire kupe, in deep well. Gat pranan jivan, to those beings who have lost life. Sadhya, at once. Sarva daiva, always. Ityevam, in his way. Pratidinam, every day. Krute, for. Yatha purvam, as before. Samprati, at present, now. Swargasthitaha, to heaven or staying in heaven. To heaven means Dvitiya Tatpurush. Prapt Bhulokah, who is coming on the earth. Bahuvrihi. Jai Ghosham, proclaiming of victory of Sashti Tatpurush. Jai Ghosh Karakam, a group of people proclaiming of victory, Sashti Tatpurush. Vishwa Yuddhe, war of world. Sashti. Labdha Vijayaha, who got victory. WH question, Bahuvrihi. Vijayotsavam, celebration of victory. Sashti Tatpurush. Mahabharat Vijayam, Mahabharat, or victory of Mahabharat. Sashti Tatpurush. Aparichit Purvam, not known, starting from a and negative word, Nan Tatpurush. Jata Harshaha, who has having feeling of happiness. Bahuvri. Yachita Ashvaha, who has bag horse. Arjun, third person, Bahuvrihi. Jal Panai, drinking of water. Sashti Tatpurush. Sagaram, which is poisonous. Bahuvrihi. Apeyam, starting with a, not potable. Negative word, Nan Tatpurush. Sascharyaha, who is with surprise. Bahuvrihi. Adrashtam, starting with a, not seen. Negative word, Nan Tatpurush. Prakriti nirmitaha, made by nature, by, with, without. Trutya Tatpurush. Peya jalaha, which is potable. Bahuvrihi. Bhagna dantaha, whose teeth were broken. WH question, Bahuvrihi. Dhavalkeshaha, whose hair is white. Bahuvrihi. Sadandaha, who has stick. Bahuvrihi. Adrashta Purvam, starting with a, not seen before. Negative word, Nan Tatpurush. Ashcharya Chakit, surprised or surprised, or other word is being surprised by something. something, a person becomes surprised. So Tritiya Tatpurush. Sahit, Rahit, these words becomes Chakit, Rahit, Sahit. These all words used in third Tritiya Tatpurush. Now, Sthul Kayan, who has bulky body, who has fat or bulky body. This is Bahuvrihi. Vivid Rupen, who is in different form. Bahuvrihi. Vivid Rupen. So, which thing is in different form? So, Bahuvrihi. Shastra Astra Nirgataihi. Shastra Astra Nirgataihi should come out from weapons. If they give Shastra Astra, this is weapon, different weapon, so it become Itretartvan. But when Shastra Astra Nirgataihi, Nirgataihi means should come out from means Panchami Tatpurush, it is very rare. Next one, Shastra Vigat Drashtihi, whose eyesight is lost. Bahuvrihi. Niruddha Swasaha, whose breath is suffocated. Bahuvrihi. Gat Pranan, who lost his life. Bahuvrihi. Bhukt Bhogaha, who suffer from this. Bahuvrihi. Pashu Pakshi Manavan, birds, animals and human, and Itretar Dvandva. Mahabharat Abhidasya, which has named Mahabharat. Bahuvrihi. Smruti Patham, path of remembers or remembering of Shashti Tatpurush. Jal Vayu Bhumya Akash Adayah. Suppose Bhumya Akash, just given up to Akash, it is called Jal, Vayu, Bhumi, Akash. But when we use Adi, Adi means which is in the form of air, water, sky, earth. So, which means Bahuvrihi. Mahabhuta, starting with Maha, and main thing starting with Mahan. Mahan cha asau bhutaha, main elements of our body. Elements, main elements. Just separation is main elements. Main is adjective for elements. Which 5 elements? Earth, light, air, sky, water. So, this called Mahabhuta Karmadharai. Apit Jalaha, who has not drink water. Sashokaha, who has sorrow in his mind, or having sorrow. Who has or having sorrow. Bahuvrihi. Gruhit Chintaha, who accept or take worries. Now participles. Anubhutam, experienced. Samupasthitam, approached. Sanjataha, became. Yachitaha, begged. Shrutvan, heard. Jata, became. Patitaha, fell down. Mrutaha, died. Pravartita, rolled onwards. Shrutvan, heard. Anubhutvan, experienced. Pruštvan, asked. Gatvan, went. Agatvan, came. Shochniyam, lamentable.
Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. Please મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9th 10th 11th 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન ओके बाय.
पृथ्वीं द्रष्टुकामः, desirous of seeing the earth. Mahantam Jaigosham Shrutvan, heard loud proclamation or victory, celebration of victory. Tena Anubhutam, he experienced. Samipam Gachati, goes near. Sadhya Virmite Vishwayuddhe, just after the world war had stopped. Vijayotsavam Anubhavayantah Asan, were celebrating the victory. Tadanintanan, belonging to that time, contemporary. Vijayotsave Yojitavantah, included in celebration of victory. Jataharshah, one who is delighted. Taihi Saha Sanlagno Abhavat, accompanied them. Kanchit Kalantaram, after some time. Trusham Anubhutvan, felt thirsty. Abhyagatena ten, he who has come. Ashva eko yachitaha, requested for a horse. Yachita ashvau asau, he who had asked for a horse. Jalpanai, to drink water. Udhyato bhavati, became ready. Apeyamasti, not good, worthy for drinking. Tam adrashta purusham, unfamiliar man. Sarvadaiva, always. Peya jalaha eva bhavanti iti, having water worthy for drinking. Swaren yuvak, young in voice. Kaena vruddhaha, old in physique. Kaschit, some. Samipam agatvan, came near. Ascharya chakitaha sanjataha, became astonished, surprised. Custom-api anubhutvan, also experienced, felt pain. Saschcharyam prushtvan, surprisingly asked. Kasmat, why? Idrasi avastha jata, becomes such condition. Saha pratyavadat, he replied. Bahuvidam, of many kinds. Kim te kathyami, what should I tell you? Sarvam vastu jatam, all the things. Atratyam jalam, the water of this lake. Pitva pitva, drinking often. Vigadrashti, one who has lost eyesight or blind. Vishmayasya vayoho, poisonous air. Niruddha swasaha, one suffering from suffocation. Divamgata, died. Pashyan, seeing, watching. Pasu pakshi manavan, to animals, beasts, means to animals, birds, human beings. Asya jalpanat, from drinking its water. Varyami, I prevent, stop. Smruti patham anayati, reminds. Samhar, destruction. Apdanam parampara pravartita, series of calamities had rolled on. Parantu jalvayu bhumyakashadayo mahabhuta, but elements like earth, water, light, air, sky, etc. Tathaiva, as they were. Jivanam krute, for living being. Shochniyam asti, is to be lamented or worried. Pravartitaha, existing. Jayaha asti parajayova, is it a victory or defeat? Swargam pratyavartit, return to heaven. Now, Sandhi. Shruto apurvo ayam. First, IMB. Shruta purvaha plus ayam. Second one is also most IMB. Dhvaniriti. Dhvanihi plus iti. Third one, Arjuno api. Arjunaha plus api. Second line, Yachita Ashwau Asau. Yachit Ashwah plus Asau. Last line, Evasan. Ev plus Asan. So, this is the chapter. Now we are going on story of this chapter. This is a small and easy story. First, you should understand the story. Like one person, Arjun, who is well known fighter or a great archer of Mahabharata war, who is now living in heaven. Now, once he came on the earth in desire of see the earth, how the earth is right now. When he is coming on the earth, at the same time, some people are celebrating the victory. By seeing them, Arjun thought that when we fight Mahabharata war and make victory in Mahabharata, all the soldiers are celebrating this type of celebration. He also become happy and join with this group of people who are celebrating this victory. After some time, Arjun became thirsty. He asked one horse, and after taking horse, he went to the nearby lake. Nearby lake, when he is just drinking the water, just starting to drink the water, one person says, "Oh gentleman, don't drink this water, this is poisonous." Arjun becomes surprised. Why this is poisonous? Always our lake made by nature are suitable for drinking water. Why this is poisonous? After then, he see a person whose sound is like young, but features as like an old, having no teeth. He cannot see proper. He has white hair and he is walking with stick. Then after, he asked, "Who are you and how this type of situation become?" He replied, "I am a soldier of this country. Last many months, the war between lot of countries is there, and then he told that when the war take place between different countries, they use different weapons. From these weapons, the shoot come out and all things become polluted: water, air, and earth. My wife suffocating from this polluted air and got died. My son drinking this water and become blind, and once he fell in the deep well and died. Often I drink the water of this lake, and this situation is of mine. So at that time I am staying only here and stop all the birds, animals and humans stop to drink this water, because I have suffered, no one more. So please don't drink." Arjun becomes worried. When Mahabharata war, Mahabharata people are very bulky body and healthy body. All have, not only Bhim, also Arjun. Arjun is a very fat man. But this man is very weak. So Arjun becomes worried about it. And afterwards, he is thinking that when Mahabharata war and lot of people died in it, so the problems or chain of problems on their family. But right now it is not. But no other earth, sky, air, water, land become polluted. They remains as it is. They are not become polluted. But this is more dangerous, because in this war all the natural elements become polluted. He becomes worried, and without drinking, he went back to Swarg or heaven. Okay.
હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આઈ એમ ભૂમિર સર. પ્લીઝ મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9, 10th, 11th, 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી, સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે, જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય.